The fifth area of study is sea level rise. We are focusing on Hong Kong, China for this element of climate change. Sea level rise is a drastic issue for Hong Kong and could cause a ripple effect across Asia and possibly the world. Hong Kong is the world's 10th largest exporter and ninth largest importer. It is projected that by 2100, the sea level rise in Hong Kong will reach from the current era level of around 0.63 meters to 1.07 meters. Currently, this area sees storm surges from typhoons that cause sea levels as high as almost 4 meters, and these typhoons are projected to increase and intensify as sea level rises. This can cause major issues to the economy and societal life of Hong Kong, as there are currently areas as low as at sea level near the South China Sea. Rise in this low-lying area, matched with the projected changes in flooding events from the rise, could cause major issues in a city that has a densely compacted population and skyscrapers. Viable solutions to combat this change would be implementing dams and other flood prevention methods like we learned about in New Orleans. Also, if the super wealthy population of Hong Kong donated funding to climate change prevention measures, that could slow down the impact as well.